Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find your IMEI number of the Samsung device. If you want to find the Samsung IMEI number but you don't know where to find it from, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have a Samsung phone with you. So if you don't have the Samsung phone with you, then you won't be able to find the IMEI number. So if you have a Samsung phone, you just need to open settings on the device. So as you can see, this is the settings page where you'll see the option of connection, connected device, Galaxy AI, modes and routines, and all of it. So scroll down till the very bottom of the page, and here you'll be able to see the option of about phone and all of it. So click on the option of about phone, and here you'll be able to see your product name, mobile number, serial number, your phone, network, IMEI number too. So this is where you can find your IMEI number, and you'll also see the option of status information, battery information, software information, legal information, and all. So this is it. That's how you can find the IMEI number of Samsung. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.